few weeks ago, Massca sent me this pocket hole jig to try out and give my opinions about it. So today, we're gonna put it to the test and I'll give you my honest opinion. So first of all, this pocket hole jig feels pretty steady, pretty strong. If you're not sure how thick your lumber is, you can just set it right here and it actually has all the different measurements that you can need in order to make the correct adjustments to the pocket hole. It also has the measurements right here, and you can just adjust this with these two knobs right here. Like you loosen them up and you bring it up and down, depends on how thick your material is. And as soon as you're done, you tighten it, and there you go. So today we're going to be using a 1.5 inch 2x4. We're going to be making a frame. Let's get it going. Alright, so now we're gonna put it together. I like it. It feels heavy duty. The only thing is I didn't attach it to the table just because this is a temporary table, but I think once it's attached, this is going to become a lot easier to do. I would definitely recommend you getting one of these if you're just starting with woodworking. You know that this channel is all about simple woodworking, making things easier. I definitely recommend it.